Here comes MaryBeth on her scooter. She decided she wanted to take her scooter for a spin. There she goes, across the yard. See her? Oh, did you see? Oh, now she's gone. Hey. Hey guys, welcome back. You found do it yourself, do it right. I'm Dave, and today, we're out on my back patio. As you can see, it doubles as bike storage. MaryBeth, she's kind enough to let me keep my bikes out here whenever they're not in the garage. So today, Sunday, I'm gonna grab up the old RD350, bring it around front. And MaryBeth and I, we're gonna ride down to the Bikes and Coffee event that they have every Sunday. Hopefully, there's another guy there with an RD350. He posted on Facebook that he was gonna show up, so maybe we'll get lucky and we'll have 2 of them down there. So that would be cool. So the RD, and behind that is my little cafe racer. They usually live in the garage, but I had to do some work on a scooter. So, don't say that too loud. But, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna get her around front and head on down to the Vintage Bikes and Coffee. Alright, so got both of the bikes out. Gonna hop on them, get some wind in our hair, well, my hair anyways. She doesn't want to be on camera, but she's got a full face helmet on, so no wind in her hair. But anyways, yep, gonna jump on and take the scenic route down to Savannah. The old bikes, they don't go that fast, and neither does MaryBeth, until she blows out fork seals, and then I'm in the garage fixing those again. So here we go. All right, guys, we made it. We made it down here. I made a pretty good time. Not too bad, 40, 45 miles an hour tops. But there's a good bit of bikes. We parked over there. So yeah, there's a good bit of bikes down here. Mingle, talk to some folks. Talk about some possible future videos coming up with a gentleman over there that has the same predicament that I do. So yeah, I'm gonna pick his brain. He's probably gonna pick mine a little bit. And I really like this Springer. Big old KTM. That's a Super Duke 1290. Nice little sporty. This one's been here before. Same with this one. I still love me some sporties though.
There was a RD400 here, and I missed it. I was slow to get my camera out before they rolled out. There's a couple other Harleys. The weather, it's a little threatening. So, some people are leaving, some people are staying. We're gonna hang out for a little bit longer, and then we'll, take the scenic route back home.
Oh, I know what I do.
I do like those bars.
Alright guys, as you can see, we're back at the house. We kind of scooted out of downtown real quick like. There is a big shower coming through, and we ran through some of it, but not too bad. I just got a little bit of rain in the face. MaryBeth riding with a full face. She didn't feel anything. So yeah, here we are, back to the house, safe and sound. Both bikes, both bikes still running, as they should. So yeah, it's it's always fun to get out, talk with the people down there. There's some people down there that they really know their stuff when it comes to old bikes, new bikes, just bikes in general. Like some of them guys, they've been riding a motorcycle longer than I've been alive. And, I just like to pick their brain every once in a while, bounce ideas off from them, tips and tricks and stuff like that. So, anyways, I think that's going to do it for this short little, quick little, Sunday, Labor Day, and here comes MaryBeth on her scooter. She decided she wanted to take her scooter for a spin. There she goes, across the yard. See her? Oh, did you see? Oh, now she's gone. And she's taking a scooter back to the back patio, and it's starting to sprinkle. So yeah, quick little weekend video. Take the bikes out. I missed the cars and coffee yesterday. We had a yard sale. So anyways, that's gonna do it for this video. You like this kind of stuff, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe, share, follow. Go to my Facebook page. Do it yourself. Do it right. That's the name of the Facebook group page. Anyways, thanks a lot, and like always, till next time.